चलो बच्चों, आज मैं आपको कैलकुलेशन ऑफ वन वर्ल्ड कॉन्स्टेंट्स के बारे में बताऊंगी. ठीक है. इफ़ वी नो द क्रिटिकल कॉन्स्टेंट्स ऑफ एनी गैस वी कैन कैलकुलेट इट्स वन वर्ल्ड कॉन्स्टेंट्स. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 5 a is equal to 3pc vc square. Putting the value of equation 6, we get b is equal to vc upon 3. This is equation number 11. Equation 10 and 11 gives the value of van der Waals constant in terms of Vc. We know the determination of Vc is quite difficult, while Tc and Pc can be easily determined experimentally. To get the values of A and B in terms of Tc and Pc, we put the values of Vc in equation. From equation 7, we get 9b minus b is equal to RT upon PC, or b is equal to RTC upon PC. This is equation number 12. Similarly, by putting the value of PC in equation 6, we get 27b cube is equal to AB upon PC. So, A is equal to 27b square PC. This is the equation number 13. Putting the values of B from equation 12, we get A is equal to 27 R square TC square upon 64 PC square into PC. So, A is equal to 27 upon 64 R square TC square upon PC. This is equation number 14. We can get the values of R also in terms of critical constants. By putting the values of B from equation 12 in equation 4, we get 3VC is equal to RTC upon 8PC plus RTC upon PC is equal to RTC 9RTC upon 8PC, or R is equal to 8PC VC upon 3TC, or RTC upon PC VC is equal to 8 upon 3 is equal to 2.67. This is equation number 15. It means the value of RTC upon PC VC is a constant and its value is 2.67. The factor PV upon RT is known as compressibility factor Z. So PC VC upon RTC can be treated as compressibility factor and can be obtained by reciprocating the equation 15. That is PC VC upon RTC is equal to 3 upon 8, or is equal to 0.375. So whether the gas is behaving according to van der Waals equation or not can be verified with the help of equation 16. If the values of critical compressibility of the gas is 0.375, it means the gas is van der Waals gas. ठीक है बच्चों. अब अगर आपको क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर और बॉयल टेम्परेचर मालूम है तो आप इसके रिलेशन बता सकते हो कि आपस में इनमें क्या रिलेशन है. ठीक है. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर, बॉयल टेम्परेचर कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड. फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन TC is equal to 8 upon 27 RB. Boil temperature TB is equal to A upon RB. So dividing equation 2 by 1, TB upon TC is equal to 27 upon 8, or 3.375, or TB is equal to 3.375 TC. तो बॉयल टेम्परेचर और क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर में ये रिलेशनशिप है. ठीक है. ओके. इज इट क्लियर? चलो.